What up? It's your boy, Cookie Skimilk, aka the Comfy Gamer. I'm going to start calling myself that from now on because every time you guys see me, I'm going to be in this lovely, lovely bathrobe. It's been with me for years, and I'm never getting rid of it. Maybe one day I'll upgrade to a solid gold one. But until then, I'm going to be doing a little unboxing of the BOYA Lavaliere microphone. BOYA is a company, if you've ever looked into lavaliere mics, they make cheap ones, but they sound pretty good from the YouTube videos I've seen. I was able to find a nice wireless solution, the BOYA This is not quite as fancy as the BOYA that I see a lot of YouTube videos on, but I digress. This is about $60 on Amazon as of the time of this recording. I'm going to do a little unboxing for you guys, and I am going to then hook it up, see how it sounds. So without further ado, I'll let you know, I did kind of open it, but it didn't really come with any kind of like stickers or anything to seal it up. The features on the back of the box while I am opening this is a clear recording sound compatible with DSLR cameras, smartphones, GoPro, Hero 4, 3, etc. It's easy to carry, has a nice case, as you will be seeing in a moment, and it's an omnidirectional lavaliere mic, so I'm not going to have to worry about moving this microphone all over the place for whatever I'm doing events like the Friday night fights. And this way I can walk around, we can get commentary and live audio during the actual events. So the box is pretty empty. Minimal packaging. We like minimal packaging. We're very big on recycling here. So the less we have to recycle, the less we have to use, the better. We've got a warranty policy card and an instruction booklet on how to use it and set everything up. And for the parts that I have not seen, so it comes with a nice hard case to travel and carry everything in. And nice. Do like that. And everything comes nice and socketed neatly where it needs to go. Ha! Nice. Nice and socketed neatly where it needs to go. We've got the receiver. We have the transmitter. And inside we also have, just getting it all out here. Boop. We've got a small aux cable with the 2 prongs. I believe this is going to go actually to extend the lavaliere mic. A micro USB adapter. A clip along with a windscreen. What looks like a mic holder. Oh, that's adorable. Oh, look at this. Look at this little mic stand that's not going to hold anything up besides a tiny, tiny little microphone. So we also got the lavaliere microphone itself. We'll have to put the windscreen on. And another micro USB cable. Another aux cable. That is going to be everything that comes in the box. We've got, so not much, just some cabling. Oh my gosh, I love this little camera mount. I don't know why it comes with this, but I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna find something to use this for. And I'm going to pause here and set up the lav mic so that way you guys can hear what it sounds like. Okay, so it's been about an hour since I recorded the first portion of this video. I decided to go back to my normal usual streaming setup and where I'm normally at. And I realized as I plugged the receiver, into my preamp, that I wasn't actually picking up any sound. After doing some Googling, I realized that a lavalier mic needs power. And unfortunately, the receiver does not cause enough power for the lav to actually work. So I'm going to need to find some kind of amplifier. If I can't, this is unfortunately going to go back, and I may start looking into shotgun mics. But this is what this sounds like. It's a much more comfortable setup for me. I don't think I mind the background noise. Let's listen to some silence just so you can hear that. This is about what's usually in the background whenever we're podcasting or doing anything. The sound of my computer just humming along. You may hear dog bark every once in a while. And so, but back to my power issue. I need power. So, in order to get power, I decided to plug my Zoom H1 in. Oh, let's just see if we can't focus that. Autofocus work for me or not. So plug my Zoom H1 in to use as a temporary amplifier for now, and we'll see how it goes. Thank you all for watching. Don't hesitate to like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon if you want to know when I'm posting. I'm going to try and post a video once a week on Mondays, and I'm going to at least be streaming on Sundays. I may also stream on Fridays and or Thursdays, but definitely Sundays at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. See you at the Fancy Ramen podcast. Bye.